Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back, guys. TMD sessions in the building. Paint session time. Yo, what's up? Finally got a break from getting all these parcels done, man. It's been mad hectic right now in the TMD office, man cave, you know what I mean? All our prowlers, man. Sold 30, like, you know, within hours. But let's get back to the Safs. Since the previous video, yeah, we managed to get some contrast. I put a yellow on there. Looks pretty sweet, actually. Got a bit of a husky voice at the moment. But this is how this Safs is looking right now. What do you think, guys? I put a yellow on there just to break the colour up a little bit. So today I'm just going to be painting some of the internals. Now I did mess up a little bit on the paintwork. There's two marks here from the masking tape. There's a mark there, but obviously with a matte kit, you know, you've got plenty of opportunity to fix it. So what I will be doing today is just painting and whitening off the interior sections for the seating and stuff like that, getting these blackened off for the metallics and a few of the bits and pieces here, like the black here. I might put black tips on here for the fingers, and then you've also got the joints as well that I'll be doing in a dark grey. Few things that I messed up, which wasn't really my fault, but for some reason some of the paint came off when I was masking. You can see there, but not a big issue. I'm just gonna blacken these sides off anyway. I didn't want it all grey because it looks, I don't know, it needs breaking up with colour. So brush is ready, got some paint today, and let's see what we can do next with this. Looking good so far. I'm pleased with the actual camo work and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not too bad. Obviously it's the beginning stage, so you can't really tell how it'll look, but let's crack on. I'm gonna apply the blacks on, I think, first, and then she'll take it from there. Let's Okay, fellas, just done a bit of a painting session, and this is what's happened so far. So basically, I've double coated the blacks, and I have done the seating. I actually started off with this Vallejo color. It's like a dark brown, and just laid it on the browns, and then I used a bit of base, what was it called, Rhinox hide, and I'm gonna obviously lighten that up a bit. Now I've done the side cushions the same color, the seating cushions. I've done some work on the engine. Let me get back to here. You probably all seen this on the fast video, but just got to lighten up the seats and stuff like that. And then obviously I'll be going in with some metallics in there. Got the cockpit to do, and for this section here, I'm going to be painting in the wires, the little miniature cockpit system in there. This takes quite a long time actually, and then after that, guys, we should have some progress. I'm not quite sure about these covers. I kind of like them just flat black, you know. I'm gonna see what it looks like. I can always go over it with a slight grey, but yeah, I kind of like the black because it contrasts well with the yellows and stuff like that. So that's how I'm feeling right now about that. And once I've done this, guys, I'll show you some progress.